स्टडी आईक्यू में आपका स्वागत है। कई बार देखा जाता है कि हमें गुस्सा चढ़ जाता है या किसी और को बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है या कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है उनके साथ जिसकी वजह से वो चिंतित हो गए हैं, तो अक्सर हमें काम डाउन फ्रेज का प्रयोग करना पड़ता है। आज लर्निंग इंग्लिश इन लेस देन 10 मिनट्स सेट 41 में हम देखेंगे कुछ इंग्लिश फ्रेजेस जिनका प्रयोग आप कर सकते हैं टू लेट समवन नो दैट दे नीड टू काम डाउन। उन्हें शांति बरतनी है, दे नीड टू जस्ट काम डाउन, कूल डाउन, और उसके बाद आप उन्हें गाइड कर सकते हैं। सो फ्रेजेस और वेज इन इंग्लिश टू जस्ट से और कन्वे द इमोशन काम डाउन। सिंपली आप उन्हें कह सकते हैं टू रिलैक्स, जस्ट रिलैक्स, जस्ट रिलैक्स, योर फादर विल बी सुपर फाइन वेरी सून, देयर इज नो नीड टू वरी, जस्ट रिलैक्स और रिलैक्स। टेक इट ईजी, टेक इट ईजी, टेक इट ईजी एक बहुत ही कॉमन फ्रेज है जिसका प्रयोग आप कर सकते हैं टू लेट द अदर पर्सन नो दैट दे नीड टू काम डाउन। Take it easy, take it easy. There's no need to get angry now. Just take it easy, just take it easy. Go easy. Simply आप उन्हें कह सकते हैं go easy. There is nothing to worry. You can go easy right now. This problem will eventually fade away. Go easy. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath ताकि आप अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाएं and you can calm down. Take a deep breath and don't stress. Slow down. Just slow down. Just slow down. There's no need to panic. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है पैनिक करने की, चिंता करने की. Just slow down. Just slow down or slow down. Control yourself. Control yourself. Be calm and control yourself as you will regret whatever you will say right now. So control yourself. Control yourself. आप simply उन्हें कह सकते हैं chill out. Just chill out. Don't stress too much right now. Just chill out. Calm down. आप simply उन्हें कह सकते हैं to chill out. Simmer down. Simmer down का अर्थ है कि अपने गुस्से, आक्रोश, चिंता को कम कर देना. Simmer down a bit. Just simmer down, please. There is no need to worry right now. Simmer down. Simmer down, please. Just drop it. Just drop it. Just let it go. Just let it go. Why are you causing so much of trouble? Just let it go. Just let it go. Just take a breath. Just take a breath. थोड़ा शांत हो जाओ और सांस लेने की कोशिश करो. Just take a breath. Just drop it. Just let it go. Just take a breath. Give it a rest. Give it a rest. Give it a rest for some time, please. Give it a rest. आप simply उन्हें कह सकते हैं give it a rest. Give it a rest for some time, please. Count to 10. Count to 10. That means आपका जो गुस्सा है वो शांत हो जाए. आप जिसकी वजह से angry हो रहे हैं, that should just reduce and lessen if you count to 10. Just count to 10, please, and you will be sorted. I assure you that. Count to 10. Count to 10. Take a chill pill. This is a slang which can be used to ask someone to calm down. Just take a chill pill. Just take a chill pill. That's another way to ask someone to calm down. How about a big hug? अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो गए हैं या चिंतित हैं, you can always offer them a comforting big hug. How about a big hug that'll make you forget your worries? How about a big hug? Keep your shirt on. Keep your shirt on एक बहुत ही कॉमन फ्रेज है जिसे colloquial इंग्लिश में प्रयोग किया जाता है. Keep your shirt on. Hold your horses. Keep your shirt on और hold your horses. ये दो ऐसे फ्रेजेस हैं जो स्लैंग भाषा का पार्ट है, पर इन दोनों ही फ्रेजेस का अर्थ होता है just calm down. Hold your horses. There's no need to stress right now. There's no need to get angry. Why are you perturbed? Just hold your horses. क्यों आप इतना बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हो, perturbed हो? Just calm down. Keep your shirt on. Keep your shirt on. That means keep your cool on. Want to squeeze my hand? कई बार अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा है और आप उन्हें calm down करना चाहते हैं, you can simply ask them, do you want to squeeze my hand? क्योंकि उससे भी उनका pressure release होगा and they'll calm down. Do you want to squeeze my hand instead of getting angry? If you need to hit something, hit this pillow. If you need to hit something, hit this pillow and vent out. So यहाँ पर इस प्रकार से भी आप उन्हें calm down करने के लिए कह सकते हैं. Let's focus on fixing the problem together. एक साथ मिलजुल के let's just focus to fix this problem or fixing this problem together. Let's just focus to fix this problem together. If you're feeling sad, you can tell me about it. If you're feeling sad, if you're feeling angry, you can tell me about it. You can tell me about it. That's another way to tell someone to calm down. I see that you're having a difficult time. Let me help you, please. I see that you're undergoing a difficult phase. Let me help you, please. That's another way through which you can cool them down. That can be so frustrating. Let's figure this out together. This can be so frustrating. Let's just try to figure it out together. Let's just stitch this problem together. इस प्रॉब्लम को हम साथ में क्यों ना सॉल्व करें. So these are some phrases that can be used to ask someone to calm down, to cool down, to relax, to take it easy. You can connect with me on Instagram by the name of Neerja Raheja. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है इस particular video में, you can mention that in the comment section.